Hi everyone, today I'm here with the unboxing of the Hermes Spring Summer 2023 Women's Beach Tunic. So here is the tunic. This is in blue navy and it's 100% cotton. These are mother of pearl buttons that go down the length of the tunic. There is also a string at the back, which you can use to tie it up. So you can tie it up on the front as well as use the buttons, or use either or according to your preference. The tunic is slightly transparent as well, so definitely recommend you wear clothing underneath it. It's designed to be worn over a swimsuit, hence the name beach tunic. It's very lightweight, 100% cotton, and this season it comes in this navy blue color, which we have here, and also a reddish pink color as well. Definitely very soft, very lightweight, and let me see what the care instructions say, if I can find it. Should be in here somewhere. Here we go. So in here are some extra buttons. This is the H code if you're looking for it. "100% cotton," and they recommend dry cleaning and not putting this in the washer, and definitely not the dryer. So in the US, as of April 2023, this beach tunic, I'm upside down here, retails for $1,600, and that goes for both this navy blue version as well as the red version as well. It is made in France, as you would expect being an Hermes item. As always, thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.